Hey Sophie, it's Madam Sophie here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I'm going to do an eyeshadow tutorial that is nude. We're going to be using matte nude colors for this look, and I am just I kind of want to shy away from, doing the looks with the glitter in it all the time. I want to try different things. I want to use different techniques when I do my tutorials on here. So this time I decided to do a very affordable nude eyeshadow tutorial. If you'd like to purchase the things for this eyeshadow tutorial, well, excluding the lip product that I use, this look is going to cost you less than $50 because this look is not just a nude look, but I am only using store brand affordable cosmetic items to achieve this look. Okay, so if you'd like to see how I came up with this look, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, I'd like to welcome you to the Madam Sophie channel. I hope that you enjoy my videos on here. I really appreciate you taking some time out of your day to stop here on the Madam Sophie channel. And to my subscribers, thank you for stopping by again. So on to the tutorial. Okay, Sophia, so I'm done doing this tutorial. I'm back. Just to give you a little insight on the products that I used. I don't know if I missed something while I was doing the video. I use very affordable makeup items for this look. One of the things that I use, well, the eyeshadow that I used for this tutorial is from Profusion Cosmetics. This is the Amber Eyes eyeshadow palette. And it comes in a pretty hard casing. I think this is kind of like it. I don't know if it's plastic or metal. I think it is metal actually. So it is in a metal case. The eyeshadow palette is in a metal casing, metal or aluminum, whatever you want to call it. But the eyeshadows, the eyeshadow pans, it's in a plastic. So this part of the palette is plastic, but the outer casing is metal. This eyeshadow palette, it's good. It's a really good affordable eyeshadow palette. The only thing I can tell you about this eyeshadow palette is that it is a bit powdery. Now, I did not use any of the glitter eyeshadows in there. This palette has 3. So you got this shade here, you have this shade here, and the other shade right next to it. These are the only shades in this palette that is not matte. They're more frosted. They have more of a metallic look to it, and I did not use any of these shades because this is not what I was going for this look. I just wanted this look to look very natural, very sophisticated, very chic, with just matte colors and just earth tone colors. So this eyeshadow palette has a total of, I want to say 12 colors. So you have 12 colors in here. 3 of these 12 colors are going to be frosted or metallic colors. According to Profusion Cosmetics, at the back of the eyeshadow palette, it says that it is a richly pigmented collection of easy blend satin, shimmer, and matte shades. A Pro Series brush included. So this eyeshadow palette, I believe, came with this brush. It came with this brush that I didn't use. Actually, no, it came with this brush. Sorry, I apologize. So this eyeshadow palette came with this brush. It looks like it's an eyeshadow brush on this end and a brush for blending on the other end. It came with the brush. I did not use the brush. But basically, this is what it is. I am very satisfied with the way it looked. I mean, this palette cost less than $10. I bought it at Target a very long time ago, and I meant to come and do an eyeshadow tutorial with it for you guys, but I just ended up putting it behind all the time. So I know for a fact that this eyeshadow palette costs less than $10. It's probably going to run you between $5 to $7. I bought it at Target, and I've also seen this palette at Walmart as well as Walgreens, CVS. This palette is available in most of your drugstores and local grocery stores. So this is what I used for this look. Again, I use my favorite liquid eyeliner. This is from the Essence Cosmetics collection. This is the Superlast matte liquid eyeliner in the color black, matte black. For foundation today, I went ahead and I used my matte Poreless foundation from Maybelline FitMe. I haven't used these in a very long time. Most of the times you will see me using the Clinique foundation, the Makeup Revolution foundation, and some other high-end foundations. And sometimes I just forget to use these. I completely forget about these. So my rule for this tutorial was to just use only affordable store brand items. So this is what I use. Now I have a very hard time finding my shade in this collection. So this is why I ended up buying 2. But if you could find your shade, you would only need 1 of these. So this is what I used as foundation. It was a mixture of 338 and 335 in the matte Poreless foundation in Maybelline FitMe. In addition to that, another thing I used to set my foundation, I used the Airspun loose face powder in the color Suntan. This is what I used to set my under eye area. And I also went ahead and I used the Almay Smart Shade for, loose powder in the color 300 medium. And I really preferred this loose face powder because this loose face powder is more on the matte side compared to my the CoverGirl loose face powder. It has more pearly accents in there, or glittery, not really glittery, but it has a few satin accents in there to give you more of a bronze look, and that was not what I was going for this time around. So I went ahead and I used my Almay Smart Shade Loose Face Powder in 300 medium. Apart from that, I went ahead and I put lashes on. These lashes are from Kiss Cosmetics. You could also find these lashes in at your local drugstore. These lashes cost $4 something, $5 something. These lashes shouldn't run you more than $7 if you're buying it in the singles. Now, I normally don't buy my lashes in the singles. I try to buy the 5-pack, the pack where you have five pairs of lashes, because I think it's cheaper for me that way, because it runs between $8 to $9 at Walmart. So I didn't buy it, but if you're on a budget and you're trying to get this look, one pair of these lashes should run you between $4 to $5. Apart from that, another thing I did was I used the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powders. I used a mixture for my highlighter today. I used a mixture of the color Crown of my Canopy. I also use this other shade that's called Precious Petals. So I used a mixture of these two highlighters to achieve this highlighted look. For contouring, I did not plan on using any liquid contour. I really wanted this look to look as natural as possible, but not overdone, in other words. So I went ahead and I used my powder, my contour palette from BH Cosmetics, from the Studio Pro collection. This is what I used to do my contouring, and I'm pretty sure you saw what it looks like in the video. I already packed it up in my drawer, so I don't want to go through stuff anymore. But I'm pretty sure that you did see the palette I used for contouring today. Now for lips, the only high-end product I used throughout this entire tutorial, and you don't have to use it, is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this is in the color Spacesuit. So this is the only expensive thing that I use, and you don't have to use this. You could get dupes for this lip gloss. I think Milani has a really good dupe for this lip gloss, or you could just take any lip gloss you have lying around the place. That would be good. So apart from using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color Spacesuit, I also used my LA Colors High Shine lip gloss, Shea Butter lip gloss in Fresh. So I used this, and in addition to using this, I also went ahead and I used this is something I just added to my collection. This is from Catrice Cosmetics. This is a Prisma Glaze lip gloss in the color Dazzling Starboy. So this is what I used, and I just put it in the central part of my lips. I didn't spread it all over. So this is what I used today for my lips. For mascara, before I put on my lashes, I went ahead and I used my Essence Volume Stylish Mascara. This is the lash extension mascara. For highlighting, apart from using my foundation, I went ahead and I used my Eyeshadow Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And I think that's about what I used today. This look, I'm pretty sure this look should not cost you more than $50. If you're looking for a really nice natural makeup, but not overdone, a nice natural everyday makeup look, I would suggest this look. I would suggest this eyeshadow palette because it's very affordable. Okay, Sophia, so that's gonna be it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I did this tutorial from start to finish. Normally I would not do a tutorial which would include my foundation, but in order to make sure that the video is not too lengthy, I just ended up doing one eye for you guys to see how I did the eyeshadows. So I'm really hoping that you guys like this tutorial, because it's a start to finish tutorial on how to achieve this natural look. I know not everyone on here loves rocking extravagant or glamorous makeup or eyeshadow look, so I thought that this is a very natural, affordable, everyday look that anyone could rock on a daily basis. If you got up in the morning and you want to wear makeup and you don't want to overdo it, I would suggest going with this eyeshadow look. So till then, Sophias, thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you'll like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe if you're new to the Madame Sophie channel. and I hope that you have a wonderful day. For those of you who stopped by, thank you for tuning in again. Thank you for checking up on a sister, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you, and don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.